Hello traders, welcome to another weekly gold XAUUSD price prediction and analysis video. So in this video we are going to analyze gold chart on different time frames, and we are going to discuss important price action levels and important price action structure that currently gold is following, so that we can utilize those levels and those price action structure in upcoming trading sessions. So we are going to keep it very simple, and we just going to focus on the important price action levels for this video. So before going into the price action chart, we are going to discuss the latest COT report, and this is the latest COT report that we have for this week, and we are looking at the positions of managed money, the smart player. So if we look into the change in positions for this week, they decreased their net long position by -14168 contacts, and they added into their short position by 16831. So if we check the previous report also, if we switch it to the previous week from here, let me switch it to previous week like this. You can see previously also they decreased their net long positions and they added good number of short positions. And if we check the chart from previous week right over here, this was the previous week and the data released every Tuesday. So you can see from this Tuesday trading session we have seen a continuous and steep decline. So they successfully managed to change the positions accordingly, and they successfully made a good sell attempt. And currently for the current current week, if we check the current week position, they still are bearish on gold, but this time and for this week we just seen a range bound market after this good decline. So what we have to watch for now? So we have to watch a important data now. So if we check the net positions of managed money that they are holding, I'm talking about the net long and short, this right over here, that net positions of in long and short. So this yellow line is the net position right over here, net positions. So if we check it on longer period, that is from this to this, around a 2-year period, let me show you. So this is the current positions, that is the net position for this year, and this is at the lowest for 2023. And if we check the previous net low positions by managed money, they were in September, October and November. So previous year, if we talk in terms of the previous year, the net low positions, that is the lowest net positions by managed money, were in September, October and November. And if we check it on the chart, the candlestick chart, this was the October, November right over here. So in previous 2022 year, previous year, we have seen a good bullish rally after this low net positions by managed money right over here. So if we talk in terms of the bigger picture from the commitment of trader or the COT report, we are currently in the bullish side, because at any time they can start a bullish rally over to this region, because the net positions, the net positions by managed money is at the lowest for the current year. So the recent low is a very important low that we have to watch carefully. Okay, so this is the data from the COT. Now let's move on to the price action chart. And on the price action, we start with the monthly chart first. So on monthly, previous month was a good bearish candle, but the recent support is our main concern on monthly chart. Previously you can see this was the resistance and currently acting as support. You can see right over here also. So if uh, if we see a good rejection in monthly, then we can expect a bullish move for a longer period, because we can see a wick formation for the first week of the month, and if price or the bulls able to hold on to this level, the recent low, then we can expect a bullish move. And on monthly, if price break down from the recent low, that the next support that we have to watch near to this trend line, it is around 178,575 area right over here. So we can expect decline only on the breakdown of recent support. So this is the scenario on the monthly chart. So let's move on to the daily chart now. On the daily chart, this is the most important chart that I want to discuss. So on daily chart, if we check the current Fibonacci cycle for this recent low, this previous year low around 1616, and the high around this 2081, currently you can see the price is trading inside this golden zone. So this is the most important part in Fibonacci zone, and currently price is rejecting and respecting this price level around 1810. So if price not able to break down this low 1793, and we already seen a good rejection from here, then we can expect a bounce and recovery, or the price may return into the bullish side. But if price break down from here, then you know what's coming. So we can expect decline only on the breakdown of this level. But overall the structure on the daily is still in the bearish side. So to claim or to reclaim the bullish territory, I think we have to break above at least this cycle. From, if we check the cycle, recent decline cycle from this 1952 to 1810, this is the most important area now. Area, or you can say the level around 189897, or roughly we can consider the psychological level of 1900. So if bulls able to reclaim over to this region, then we can expect a good bullish move in upcoming trading session. But under this we have to look for the sell opportunities, and if we zoom in to the important levels from the current rejection, you can see the daily candle was a good bullish candle in previous, or you can say in Friday trading session, and we can expect a rise of price from the current closing price. And the first resistance on the Fibonacci is 184345 level that we have to watch. If we see rejection, we are going to look for the sell. And the next important resistance is 1864. So overall we have to look for the sell only right now, because this is a good bearish move, and the bear can defend this bearish move. But if bulls able to break above to 50% of this decline, then we can look for the buy only. Okay, so these are the level that we have to watch carefully on the daily time frame. Now let's move on to this chart. This is the quarterly chart of gold. So on the bigger picture, you can see it is trading inside this bullish broadening wedge pattern. So this recent low is the most important low, as I already discussed on the commitment of trader report. So if they able to hold on to 1810, then we can expect a good bullish move in upcoming trading sessions on longer period chart. But if they break down from here, you know that lowest what you can see right over here. So lowest around 1600 is also possible if price breakdown from the recent low. So we have to watch it very carefully for the longer period. And if we check the chart of the dollar, that is the DXY, this is the chart that I already said today in our Telegram channel. So this is a good example of from the Fibonacci golden zone. As you can see, this was the descending move or decline cycle from this level to this level, and now the price is into the retracement phase. But right now in the weekly chart, you can see we have a good rejection. So on the dollar we can expect that price might go down, because this is a good rejection on weekly, and we can expect a decline on the dollar chart, and which is good for gold bulls. So if prices stay under this recent high, then we can look for buy opportunities on the gold. So this is the most important level that we have to watch carefully for the dollar. And if we check the chart of the US 10Y, let me show you. This is the US 10Y chart. So on US 10Y, US 10-year yield, you can see previous 2-day candle is a good rejection. So retracement is also due on this chart. So if price stay under this recent high, then we can look for buy opportunities on gold. But if price able to break above from this, then we have to look for sell opportunities on gold. So this is the scenario on the US 10Y. And if we check the important open interest parameter, and if we check the put call ratio for the nearest expiry on the gold, it is still 0.73. that is, it is still in the bear's favor. So on the open interest, the data is in the bear's favor on intraday or on nearest expiry, that we have to watch carefully. But for the next expiry, it is in the bull's favor. But for current expiry, this is our main focus that we have to watch. So we have to look for the sell, and I already discussed the level that we can look for the sell. And for the intraday, our main important task is to watch how price going to react on the level of 1835, because in Friday trading session we have seen that it tried to break above 1835 but failed to break above to 1835. Under this, it is still into the range. So if able to break out 1835, then we have to watch, and we can look for the buy opportunities. And next important price action level is around 1860 on the price action. And on the volume profile, this is next important resistance around 1875 to 1880. As you can see, this is a good volume area, and bears started a good down move from this price action range. So this is the major concern on price action point for bulls. So we are going to discuss more about these levels and the live sentiments and the scenario in live trading session in live Telegram channel. So see you there. Thank you.